to it. So add a lot of food dye. That's me. We're gonna make orange, so you're mixing yellow and red. And we're gonna add a lot.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna add red first. So red. Why is the red not coming out?
You gotta squeeze it.
Squeeze. Coming out.
Do it again. We need more. We need a lot of food dye.
Is that enough? Well, the other red is so pretty.
Squeeze a lot more.
Is that enough?
Nope, a little bit more.
Nope, it's enough.
Nope, we need a little bit more.
Is the yellow squeeze good? Now, about 20 to 30 drops. I'm gonna add the yellow. So you stay there. Oh, it's not coming out.
It will, just squeeze it a little harder.
With 2 hands?
Mm-hmm.
It's not coming out. Soup came out. I'm gonna take a spoon and stir it. Go in, stir, mix in, keep on mixing. I'm gonna add the flowers.
We don't.
I'm gonna cut the stems high. So this is 3. Doing these scissors, right?
Nope, we already cut them.
I think we need to set for 24 hours. Once they sat for 24 hours, you got beautiful colored baby's breath. Woke up to this. See, you woke up to this rainbow beautiful bouquet. You watching. Like, subscribe.